Hey guys, it's me, and we're doing another pop explosions. This is going to be the best one yet, because I'm going to be cameraman the whole time, except for when it's my turn. Then, my older brother Cohen will be the cameraman. Yep, so they got their pop. This is all their pop, because my mom said we can't waste our pop, so we decided to be a smart mouth and get our own pops. So, today, we're going to be exploding pops. Yeah. Okay, Josh, okay. Josh, you're going to go first.
I'll go first.
Okay.
Okay, shake it.
You know what? Jake's already getting his, so Jake.
And spray it
shake
over
it
there.
And spray it.
Hey.
You can drink some of that if you want, because it didn't go on the ground. Oh God! What the heck?
Throw that on the ground.
Okay, Cohen's, Josh's turn actually. Josh's. Yo. Okay, Josh, it's your turn.
Okay, I'm gonna just throw it on the ground.
That's oh my God, bro! Okay. I did not know that would work. He's just like, I'm gonna throw mine on the ground. Okay, Cohen, it's your turn now.
Chuck it at the ground.
Shake it, open it, then throw it.
And aim at the streets.
Just chuck it.
Hey, I told you to freaking open the bottle. It's like a grenade. Hey, Josh, here.
Here, I'll film it.
Okay. Aim it right at that wet spot.